Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Google Classroom. We'll talk about everything that you need to know about Google Classroom. So to start with, first you need to open the app. After opening the app, you can see there's a plus sign and clicking on that, you can see there are two options, join class and create class. If I click on join class, I'll be asked for a code, and if I enter that, I'll be able to join the class. Then there's one more option, create class. If I click on that, and after reading all the instructions, you just click on that and continue. You can easily create a class. You have to type the class name, section, room, and the subject. After that, you have to click on create option and your class will be created. Class has been created. You can see there are three options: stream, classwork, and people. Stream is an option where you can communicate with your class, with your students, and you simply can type anything that you want to communicate to your students. You can see one more option. There's an option of classwork. After clicking on classwork and then on a plus sign, you can see that you can just share a lot of things with the students. Clicking on assignment and just creating an assignment. I have to mention the title and describe that assignment, the points, date, and the time, and also the topic that you want to teach through that assignment. After filling all the information, just click on the attachment part and you can see there's an option of new PDF. You can write anything on that blank PDF and save that PDF. And after saving, you can see it's there in the attachments. Afterwards, clicking on the file, I can attach any file from my device. As you can see, I have attached a file from my device storage. Clicking on that, you can see the file. You can also share the link with the students by simply pasting the link of the video that you want to share. As you can see, the link that I pasted is now a part of this attachment. We can also share files from Google Drive, take photographs and record videos and share it with the students. Clicking on three dots, we can schedule, save draft and delete draft. Afterwards, clicking on the arrow, I can simply assign this assignment to my students. But before that, I have to make sure if I want students to view only, I want them to edit, or it's a worksheet that I want them all to fill separately. So I simply have to click on make duplicate copies for each student. After assigning the assignment, I can also check what all I have assigned or attached to my assignment by simply clicking on it and clicking on the instructions. I can also share worksheets with my students by clicking on the assignment and just giving it a title, a description, points, due date, time, and also the topic of that worksheet. And then clicking on the save option, and then on the attachments, and from my device storage just attaching a worksheet to my assignment. After attaching, I can just click on that and check if the worksheet is the right one or not. Then click on the arrow again, and before assigning, select make a copy for each student so that students have a separate copy, and then assign. Worksheet has been created, and you can just check it out by clicking on instructions. Now there's one more option of people at the bottom. Clicking on that, I can invite students by simply pasting the email ID. I can also invite teachers. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Skill Garden. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates from our channel.